Bring warmth and heartiness to your table with these soft rye dinner rolls. Perfect to serve with soups, stews, or by themselves with butter. So let's get started. First, we're going to make our yeast mixture by combining warm water with a little bit of liquid honey and yeast. Mix together, and then we're going to let it set aside and proof. In the bowl of a stand mixer, combine 2 cups of the white flour, all of the rye flour, and then for some color, we're going to add some dark cocoa powder and our salt. Attach to the stand mixer the dough hook, and then mix on low just to combine all the dry ingredients together. Turn off the mixer and then add in the proofed yeast mixture, the rest of the liquid honey, the melted butter, and another 1.5 cups of warm water. Turn the mixer back on low-medium speed to combine everything together. The dough is still going to be very wet at this point, and then you're going to add 1.5 cups of more white flour. Mix the dough for 5 minutes until it comes into a ball, and then take it out of the mixer. The dough should be tacky, not sticky. Then place it in a large bowl. Cover with a clean tea towel and let it rest for 20 minutes to let the dough relax. Transfer to your kitchen counter. You shouldn't need any extra flour on there. And then place it on the scale. It should be about 1,500 grams. Divide the dough in 15 equal pieces of 100 grams each. Then once you've got all your pieces of dough, make sure to wrap them up in plastic wrap so they don't dry out. Prepare a baking sheet pan by lining it with a parchment paper, and then you're ready to roll up the dough balls. Take 1 piece of dough, stretch it out to have a smooth surface, and then press it with your thumb and index to create a smooth ball. Then roll it on the counter, create a rounder shape. Repeat with all the rest of the balls, making sure that you have a smooth surface and you pinch the bottom of the rolls. Apply a little pressure with circular motion, and then you'll get a nice round ball. Place the rye dinner rolls on the sheet pan, cover with the same plastic, and then let them rest over the preheating oven for 45 minutes or until they're almost all touching. Brush the rolls with water, and then they're ready to go right into our preheated 375 Fahrenheit oven for about 30 minutes. Tap on the bottom of the bun. If they're nice and hollow, then they are ready. Let them cool for 10 minutes and then they are ready to enjoy. Find the full recipe at FrenchGuysCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.